isn't off on a spying mission or any other clandestine activity. It's delivering medicine quickly and safely to someone's home. Industry observers say drone deliveries of food, medicine, and other essential goods to homes may soon become more common in the U.S. as more companies gain approval from the Federal Aviation Administration, which works on the safety rules governing the skies.
We're probably going to see more machines flying through the air.
As demand for home delivery increases among U.S. city and suburban dwellers, it's people who live in remote areas who may see the biggest benefit.
You're going to want something like a drone that is capable of locating you, picking up and dropping off to you the medical supplies that you might need.
Flytrex, an Israeli company, manufactures and operates electric drones that deliver meals from local restaurants to people's homes.
All you have to do is, as the customer, is download the app, select what you want to eat, input your home address and your credit card information, of course, and we take care of the rest.
Bash pitches home deliveries by drone as safer than deliveries by car or truck and more cost-effective than human couriers. Prior to founding Flytrex, he was a founder of a company that launched the first private interplanetary robotic mission to the moon.
Instead of flying to the moon 200,000 miles, we fly to people's backyards 200 feet above the ground. Pretty similar.
In the U.S., Flytrex drones are currently operating in 3 locations in North Carolina.
And so that's a population of roughly 10,000 families in those 3 locations. And as we expand our service to more stations and receive more approvals from the FAA, the sky's the limit.
Julie Tabo, VOA News.